it's your girl Devin Nicole, and today we are going to do a hair review / tutorial on HairVivi. I have a Afrolista natural looking wigs. It's in Kinky straight, 160% density. It is 14 inches. I am going to put all the specs down below so you guys can see. Now y'all, this hair is so beautiful. This wig is well made. It has 2 clips. It also has an adjustable strap, which I really like, and it also has a fake scalp, which was free. It came with the wig. I did not have to pay extra. 2 combs, one kind of in the middle of your head and then one at the nape. And then, like I said, the adjustable straps, and it has different positions where you can put the strap, which is really nice. This wig is really constructed, you guys. It came with all the knots already bleached. I paid an extra $10 for the knots to be bleached, and it is pre-plucked. And y'all, this hairline is so amazing. You can't see it right now, but once we get into this wig, you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. This wig is so easy, so beginner friendly. So for all my beginners out there, if you're looking for a wig and you don't know where to go, I highly recommend this wig for you. So we're just gonna start out. I did wash and blow dry the hair. When the hair came, it did have a strong perfume smell. Kind of smelled like that white diamonds. Y'all know what y'all grandma aunties be wearing. So I did go ahead and wash it, blow dried it, and look at that. That I'm showing y'all, that hairline is so nice. I did not pluck it. I didn't do anything to it, just blow dry. So now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna flat iron the hair. And once I'm done flat ironing, I'm actually gonna go through and take my hot comb, try to get that the front of the hair laid. So just keep watching. Y'all, this hair felt just like butter. The hair flat ironed so easily. I only had to do one pass. This hair is just so amazing, y'all. I love this texture. Why? It reminds me of my own hair. Like, these are hair goals. It is just so amazing. The hair felt so soft. I didn't put anything on the hair. I didn't use any serum or anything like that. So, and look at that. It flat ironed so well, y'all. It looks so realistic. This is such a great texture of hair. I am so glad that I got this kinky hair. I had been wanting to try kinky hair for a while, but I didn't know where to get any kinky straight hair from, and this just did it for me. So I'm going in now with my wax stick, and I'm just gonna put that on the hairline. And like I said, I'm gonna take that hot comb to it and press it out. Try to get it as flat as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation, and I'm just going to put that at the front, the very front of the wig, because of course the wig does come with that fake scalp. So I'm just putting it at the very front. The knots are bleached on this, but I just wanted to blend a little better. Then we're just going to put this on, and we're going to get it adjusted, make sure everything is fitting right, figure out where I want my part. And I was just really feeling this hair. Like, it's so beautiful to me. I really like it, y'all. So I really do recommend this wig for all my beginners out there who want to try, haven't tried wigs. I think this would definitely be easy for you all. The only thing you kind of need to master is how to lay your wig with probably some freeze spray. And it's really not that hard. You just have to develop your own method on what works for you. I'm still developing mine. I am not perfect. I do not know how to slay wigs all the time. It does take me a little bit. But just take your time with it. But this, y'all, this is a really great wig made with quality. Okay, y'all, so I was not thinking when I did this. I don't recommend y'all do this, but I just decided to keep this in the video so you guys will see what happened. So normally I would do this if I want to wear it glueless and the wig is straight, or maybe it's body wave. Because this is kinky hair, of course, you put anything water-based, anything liquid on the hair, it is going to revert back to its natural state. So I would normally mold it down like this, and I wasn't even thinking. Once I took the scarf off, the hair had poofed back up, and I had to go back through with the flat iron and a hot comb to get it to lay again. So then I just ended up laying it with using some freeze spray, and y'all will see that in the video. So yeah, don't be like me, don't do this step. But normally if this is a different type of hair, this is the step I would have done to wear it completely glueless, where you don't have to lay it down with any freeze spray or anything like that. Just wearing it, just cut the lace after you finish laying it with the scarf. And so now y'all see me going in and I'm trying to get those roots back straight. I will say this hair takes heat very, very well. I used a lot of heat kind of unnecessarily because of the mistake that I made, but it's good to know that I was able to use the amount of heat and the hair still felt very, very soft. Still feels very small. Still feels very soft. I literally have the hair on right now, so it can handle a good amount of heat. This particular hot comb gets up to 400 degrees. So yeah, it can handle a lot of heat. And as you guys see, it is pressing out really, really nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to lay my lace using that freeze spray. And y'all, like I said, I am not perfect. It did take me a couple of tries. So if it takes you a couple of tries, don't worry. I used some witch hazel to clean off my lace and my face when I had put too much freeze spray and then the makeup and it was looking crazy. I just cleaned it off and retried it. So it may take you more than once, but just take a deep breath. You'll get it eventually. It does take practice. If you guys have any favorite lace glues that y'all swear by, please leave them down below. I want to try different lace glues. I just am not sure which one to try. I'm thinking about maybe bowl hold. But if y'all have anything that y'all have tried personally and you love it, just leave it below. And you never know, it might be in my next video. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I was starting to feel myself. Like, look at this hair. Look at this hair. Like, y'all, I'm telling you, like, this is the best. If you're looking for a texture that is similar to African American hair, this is it. This is what my hair will look like when it is blown out. I love it. So now I'm just going in and putting in some small curls with this little flat iron that I got from Sally's years and years ago. I would say the only probably downfall to this hair is it doesn't hold a curl for very long. So if you are curling this hair, you may want to put like some Schaefer spray or some freeze spray on the curls to make it last longer. But other than that, y'all, this hair is amazing. It stays straight for a really long time, so that's a good thing. But yeah, this hair is so beautiful, y'all. I love this hair so much. Please tell me, guys, what you think in the comments below. If you love this hair, thumbs up this video, share, like. Yeah, y'all, let's help get my subscribers up. You know, they're a little low right now, so help a sister out, please, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.